onke ama-issues eniwareyizile sizowathatha up, especially ne-regional leadership ne-provincial leadership. Kuyiqiniso ukuthi ukukhona bephalamende la Western Cape, Cape Town, kumele kusilekelele ukuletha eduze ubuholi bethu ukuze wonke lama problems abekwayo aresolve. Siyabonga ukuthi i-ANC inama comrade amaningi kangaka ebranchini, nokuthi ibranch siyakwazi ukuyibamba kwi-ANC. Ngiyavumelana nama comrade athi masakhele kulokho ukuthi sikwazi ukuthatha over leli phondo silibuyise kwi-ANC. Izinto ezibekwayo into yomhlaba siyayizwa, sizoyiraise nama comrades, into yokwakhiwa kwezindlu, into ye-sanitation nento ye-education.